Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm so excited. We're going to be unboxing and playing around with the GLAM box for the month of October. Now GLAM did send this box out to me to review for you guys this month. And girl, spoiler alert, this is like the perfect box for fall time. If you're looking for a makeup subscription box that's going to give you a complete look out of the box, this is the box for you. Really quick, if you're not familiar with GLAM box, it is a monthly makeup subscription box. You're going to get no skincare. This is all makeup. It's $24 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items. You're guaranteed a palette every single month. And I also have a discount code. It's Michelle Martin. It's going to give you 10% off of your first subscription order. Not a code that I make anything off of. It's just a code to save you a little bit of money when you first sign up. I can't wait to show you these products. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at them. So first off, you know I'm going to start with the star of the show, which is this Candy eyeshadow palette by Rasha B Cosmetics. Rasha B Cosmetics is one of my favorite formulas. If you've been with me, you already know that. Literally, if you only got a Rasha B Cosmetics palette in this box for $24, totally worth your money. So when you open it up, the inside has a really nice mirror and the inside looks like candy corn. Not even going to lie to you, girl. Like when I first seen this on the picture, I was like, the inside of the palette looks kind of busy to me. You know what I'm saying? Like it looks like it's going to be a lot, but seeing it in person, it really is so cute. I don't think it looks too busy. I actually think it is like a super cute palette for October. So let's go ahead and look at the swatches. First off, we have Licorice, which is a matte black. We have Sour Patch, which is a really pretty duochrome blue. Sour Punch, which is a really pretty duochrome teal. Caramel, which is a really pretty copper color. Reese's Pieces, which is a matte orange. Airheads, which is a really pretty duochrome white. It has like a little bit of a gold undertone to it. Really pretty. Candy Corn, beautiful. I used that in my look today. Love that color. And then last but not least is Butterscotch. Looks just like butterscotch, actually. Next up, we got the Jello Shots from Amoris. Really pretty color. This is in the shade Amber Gold. I would say that it is a really pretty copper color. Very smooth on the lid. No problems with creasing. I just used a flat brush and put it in the center of my lid and tapped it out. Absolutely beautiful. I think it pairs so well with this eyeshadow palette. I'm usually not a cream eyeshadow gal, but this one is really pretty. Goes on the lid really nicely. Doesn't leave you crepey and it's not creasy, so I'm here for it. Okay, so next up we got a product from Rude Cosmetics, and this is going to be a cream blush, and this is in the shade Fruit Tart. Love this color for fall time. Again, goes perfectly with the eyeshadow palette, goes really nicely with the Jello Shots. Love the coordination of GLAM. One of my favorite things about them. But this goes on super smooth. She is very pigmented, so I did use a stippling brush when I used this because a stippling brush allows you to apply less, especially if you're heavy-handed, which I am. So most of the time, if I have a pigmented or a very like bright color or dark colored cream blush, I love to use stippling brushes. Okay, so next up we have a product from St. Luxe, and this is their Liquid Glow. Now I got mine in the shade Unicorn. OMG, okay, this product right here is gorgeous. You guys, if you've been with me, you know I love a good highlighter. I always say you can never have too many highlighters, and this one I'm so happy that we got. She blends onto the skin so beautifully. It really looks like a glow from within. It doesn't emphasize any of my textures. I love the icy white, but it still has that pearlescent like purple blue shift to it. Love it. And then last but not least is going to be a product from Illuminati Cosmetics, and this is a lip gloss in the shade Mystery. I love the name of it because, you know, of the mystery airhead. Super cute. It goes right along with the theme as always. This literally matches the Unicorn St. Luxe liquid highlighter perfectly. Love it. It has that like purple shift to it. Super happy with this product. Love this lip gloss, and I will definitely get a ton of use out of it. Okay, so now that we looked at the products a little bit closer, I just have to say, like, spoiler, this box is a 10 out of 10 for me. But really quick before we get into the try on portion, if you like these types of videos from me, girl, please make sure you're giving me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe. And also, if you ring the notification bell, you'll be notified every time I do an upload. I upload at least twice a week, but I'm random. I have different days that I upload on. But yeah, girl, let's go ahead and jump into the try on portion. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. And the first thing I'm going to use is the Rue Cosmetics. This is the cream blush that we got. This is in the shade Fruit Tart. I think this matches everything so nicely. Ooh, she's pigmented. I just picked up a little bit on a stippling brush. So I am going to use a stippling brush for this just because I want to go in light-handed because she looks very pigmented. If you're like me, girl, and you're heavy-handed, when you get brighter color blushes like this, a stippling brush really comes in handy. This color is really pretty. It's blending out really nicely. Really is a nice fall shade. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and set all of my makeup really quick. This is the Physicians Formula Setting Powder. And even setting over this with a setting powder, the pigment is still really coming through nicely. I am going to go over top with a powder blush just because I like to top my cream blushes with powder. I think they last longer. I actually grabbed a couple blushes out of my collection just to see what would go. I think I'm going to end up going with this one out of the Pure palette though. I think that matches like the closest. Yeah, that color like matches it perfectly. So next I'm going to go into this liquid highlighter, and this is from St. Luxe. It has a little dofa applicator, so I'm just going to apply it directly and then take my finger and blend this out. Love this highlighter. This highlighter is so pretty. And like when I say it blends out like a dream, like literally blends out so nicely, like just melts into the skin. And literally just taking the finger, it's not picking up my makeup underneath, which I really appreciate. I mean, that's gorgeous. I am gonna build it up just a little bit. Yeah, she builds up nicely. And it doesn't feel like a balm texture or anything on the skin. It feels really nice. I love that it's like the icy white, but has like that blue purple undershift to it. Super cute. Okay, so let's go into the lip gloss. I'm just going to use this Steve Laurent lip liner, and this is in the shade Chic. And now I'm just going to top it with this gloss. This gloss is so pretty. It matches the highlighter like perfectly. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on the eyes. I'm going to start in the eyeshadow palette first, and I'm going to use this shade right here, which is called Butterscotch, and I'm going to put that in my transition area, and I'm just going to work that right up to the brow. I didn't use a primer today. I just have on my concealer on my eyelid. I'm going to do the same thing for this side. Just go ahead and work this into the transition area and work it up to the brow. Okay, so switching brushes, I'm going to go into that black shade. And I'm just going to start putting this on the outer corner. Literally so happy to get a black shade from Rasha B Cosmetics. This black shade's very pigmented, so work light-handed. But I love Rasha's formula. So I know that it's going to be pigmented, but you're going to be able to work with it. It's not going to be like too much to like work with. What I'm going to start doing with this black shade is I'm just going to start buffing it out, not adding anything else to the brush. I usually love to have a dark brown shade to blend a black shade out. I just find that it's much easier to blend it out with a dark brown shade. But I'm just going to keep working this black shade into the crease. Just working it back and forth. Same thing for this side. Just going to keep working it over into that crease. Now I haven't added anything else to this brush. I'm just kind of moving and dragging the black shade that I have on my lid over. So that way it just kind of diffuses and blends out. Same thing for this side. Just keep working that black shade back and forth, diffusing it. That black shade is really nice. I like it a lot. Black can be hard to do. It can be very patchy looking, and this one is not. So now going back with that butterscotch shade and just blending right over top of that black. Same thing for this side. I'm putting it like directly on top of that black shade just to start blending it out. That's just going to help diffuse that black out. Going back with the black brush, not adding anything to it, and blending the black again. It's just like a back and forth thing with the black. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into the Jello shots, and I'm just gonna take a little bit on a flat brush, and I'm gonna start applying that to the center of the lid. Same thing for this side. Just tapping it in the center. Really pretty shade. And I'm just going to take a little bit and tap it up just to diffuse out the edge a little bit. That is a really pretty color, but I do want to use this candy corn shade. So I'm just going to take a flat brush and I'm going to, oh my goodness, apply that to the inner corner. That color is stunning. Beautiful. Same thing for this side. I love that. So I'm going to go back with the black brush and I'm just going to blend over that edge a little bit on that Jello shot color. I love it. It's looking so cute. But I'm going to go in with a little pencil brush. I'm going to go into the black shade and I'm going to start blending out underneath of the lash line. Just on the outer corner, I'm doing the black. So now I'm just going to go into the candy corn shade. So I'm just going to put that on the front part of the lower lash line. Then I'm going to pick up a little bit of that Jello shots color and I'm going to put that in the center. So I'm just going to use a black eyeliner. This is the Chloe Or eyeliner in shade Black Pearl. Okay, so now for the inner corner and the brow bone, I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is called Airheads. And I'm just going to pop that on the inner corner and also the brow bone. I'm going to go back with my first brush and just blend out. And I'm just going to curl my lashes. And then I'm just going to coat my lashes with a little bit of It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Okay, girl, so this is the completed look using the Slay Glam box. I love it. This cream blush is like literally perfect for fall time. This Jello shot shade is gorgeous and it pairs so well with Rasha B's palette. It's creamy, it's easy to put on, but it dries down. I'm not seeing it crease or anything like that. So far, we're doing good. Rasha B's palette is my favorite thing out of this box this month, of course. I always love the formula. They are like so buttery when you swatch them. They just glide on your eye. The color payoff is amazing. You never have to worry about creasing. This black shade in here is really nice because it's nice and dark, but you can also blend it out. The Illuminati lip gloss, gorgeous. Absolutely love it. I like that it's a clear gloss, but it gives you like a little bit of something on your lips. Also, really love that it matches this highlighter like so well. This highlighter is really amazing. I didn't think I was gonna like it as much as I do, but I mean, so smooth on the skin. It's not emphasizing my texture at all, which is really nice. It's not glittery at all. It just gives you a really pretty like glow from within. I love it. I will definitely get a lot of use out of this, that's for sure. I will be back to do another look out of this eyeshadow palette, and you know what color I'm coming back for. Can you make a guess? That blue. I cannot wait to try out that blue shade, so definitely stay tuned for that tutorial. But as always, girl, let me know, what did you think about this month's box? I love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!